Welcome everyone, I'm Sweet Jules and today I'll be baking some of the most amazing, mouth-watering and moist chocolate cupcakes you will ever have the joy of eating. These cupcakes really are to die for, and today I'm going to show you how to make them for yourselves. Before we get started, I hope you all enjoy the video. If so, please help support the channel by hitting the like button down below and the subscribe button if this is your first time visiting. Now let's get started. For the dry ingredients, we have 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. For the wet ingredients, we have 2 cups of hot water, 3/4 a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. First, we mix all the dries in a bowl. Then we pour all the wets into the bowl of a stand mixer. Dump the dries on top of your liquid and stir until there are no more clumps of flour. Then we will use the paddle attachment to beat the mixture for 2 minutes. Now we are ready to pour our batter into the lined pan. I'm using a measuring cup to transfer my batter. Then we bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. Remember the ovens vary, so check after about 15 minutes. When a toothpick comes out of the center clean, your cupcakes are done. Cool them on the counter until they're room temperature. While these cool, we will make the frosting. We'll need 8 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of heavy cream. First, we will beat the cream cheese with the sugar and vanilla until smooth. Then we'll transfer this mixture to another bowl so we can whip the cream. Whip the heavy cream until stiff, then add the cream cheese mixture and whip until mixed, about 30 seconds. Once your frosting is done, put it into a piping bag with a large star tip. Then we can frost our cupcakes. I'm using a simple swirl technique that resembles a rose when done. And there you have it, a chocolate cupcake that truly is to die for. I wish you all the best in baking these up in your own homes. Let me know how it goes in the comments below, and let me know what recipes you would like to see me recreate here on this channel. Don't forget to help support me by hitting the like button and subscribe button below. Both are greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching!